And welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to cancel a trade on Bybit. Now this is 2025 verified steps. Now canceling a trade on Bybit depends on the type of trade you're trying to cancel. Now I'm going to be concentrating on how to cancel an open spot or derivatives order. Now for limits, stop loss or take profit order that haven't yet been fulfilled or been filled actually. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is log into your Bybit account, and then if you're doing spot trading, so you go to trade spot, which is this, you go to this URL over here. This is the URL for trade spot, and once you're in, then you move on to the next step. But if you're not doing for spot trading, for future or perpetual trade derivative, you can use this particular URL over here. It's as simple as that. Now once you've gotten to where you want to go, whether spot or future or trade derivatives, once you've gotten there, next step you're going to do is find your active orders. Now open orders if you're doing spot, and open order tab if you're doing futures. Now once you've done that, next thing you're going to do is click on cancel, which is next to the order. It's as simple as that. This works for unfilled limit orders, that is market orders that execute instantly and can't be cancelled. But if it's filled orders, it cannot be cancelled. You will need to close the position manually. If these steps don't work, you can try the second step here, which is this. First, you go log in and then tap on the trade icon at the top menu, then select spot or derivatives, and then on the trading page look for the open orders, which is a tab on the left panel below the chart, and you can check your active orders. They will appear under order type. You see limit or market, then you see price and amount, and you see a red cancel button at the far right. Click on the cancel button and confirm the pop-up. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.